7 Best Investing for Beginners Books. 1. The Richest Man in Babylon. A good read for anyone who wants to retire well. This book does a good job outlining the framework of how families can make good choices. 2. The Intelligent Investor, the definitive book on value investing. Beginners are encouraged to eschew market trends in favor of value investing, which teaches the virtues of research and patience. 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Good for young investors. Story about poor and middle class work for money, but the rich work to learn. He stresses the importance of financial literacy, and presents financial independence as the ultimate goal in order to avoid the rat race. 4. The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy. The Millionaire Next Door is a wonderful book for anyone who wants to grow their wealth. 5. One Up on Wall Street. The book is easy to read and follow, and provides information about the basics of price/earnings ratio, book value, and cash flow. 6. The 5 Mistakes Every Investor Makes and How to Avoid Them. The author makes a well-reasoned argument for readers to stay away from the self-styled pundits' advice while showing readers how to pick the right financial planner. 7. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, the only way to guarantee your fair share of stock market returns. Investing is all about common sense. Owning a diversified portfolio of stocks and holding it for the long term is a winner's game.